One of the most common questions we've been actually asked about the new Dove and the pad system, how it actually attaches to the van to get the best seal. The pad itself is on Velcro. Now it's on Velcro because it depends on if it's on a van or a caravan, because it's an adjustable height, it needs to be put in the right position. So once you've got the adjusted height that's required, you put the pad on with the Velcro, and once it's fitted, you leave it on. Then we peg the triangle slightly underneath the vehicle, pushing it towards the vehicle side. These suckers simply just push on to seal, and then up the top we have this belt and buckle that you pull the pad up towards the roof, give you that nice seal against the vehicle.